Hey everyone, it's JENXOPLANS, and I wanted to do a really quick unboxing video of the Planner Society Valentine's Day kits. And let's go ahead and get started. First of all, she has these beautiful, lovely TNs, and I just love this absolutely gorgeous floral pattern. And there's a black elastic. This is in the size A6. And then it has two secretarial pockets and this really fun heart pattern on the inside. I love black and white. And then there's also a B6 TN. And actually, this B6 TN is still available in the shop. I will leave a link below. If you guys are still interested in purchasing these are still available. But unfortunately, these are all sold out, the A6 size. First up, we have this really, really pretty black pen with the floral pattern, and then it has this really cute charm on the end. I love how there are charms on the end. That is just so adorable. It's of a really cute heart. It's like a black and gold enamel heart. And then I love the pink crystals. Next, the kit comes with these two rolls of washi, and I love how the foil on this floral pattern is a pink foil. It's so, so pretty. And then this one has cute little pink, light pink hearts scattered throughout that pattern there. And then the kit also comes with all of these adhesive pockets. You have two smaller ones, and they are foiled with gold hearts. Just show you there. So pretty. And then over here, we have a bigger and a smaller floral pattern, and then they are scalloped on the top. So, so gorgeous. Next, we have some sticky notes, and I love this floral heart pattern. It's so, so cute. The kit also comes with these pink scalloped edgers and bows, and I love this glittery pink pattern. It's so, so pretty. It's just this really pretty, nice, light pink color, and you can make your dividers or page markers with these. I love these. They're so much fun. And these are actually still available in the shop if you guys would like to purchase these. Okay, on to the papers. We have 6 8.5 by 11 papers, and they are double-sided. So I will show you the A and the B side. I love the black and white floral. It just goes so well with these pretty reds and pinks. Kit also comes with these specialty papers. We have this red floral acetate, pink vellum, this floral vellum right here. And the kit also comes with all of these die cuts, and let's go through the die cuts real quickly. And it also comes with all of these tags with all of these cute quotes on them. So that is the whole kit. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I will leave all of the links below if you guys would like to subscribe to the bi-monthly kits, or if you would like to purchase any of these items in the shop. If you guys have any questions, please leave a question down below and I will do my best to try to answer them. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.